Oboodashkwaanishiin. 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 Oboodashkwaanishiin means dragonfly in Ojibwe Moen. Yeah. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO. Oboodashkwaanishiin, dragonfly, is our Ojibwe word of the day, the Oboodashkwaanishiin. And today, I would like to tell the story of Oboodashkwaanishiin. And how he found his secret power. So back in the days of the grandfathers, Oboodashkwaanishiin, not a lot of people know this. But he's cousins to Mamengwa.
Oh, really?
The butterfly. And the butterfly. Mamengwa would float around all over the countryside, just going with the wind. And Mamengwa was known to be the king of the beautiful, I guess the monarchs were the king of their kind.
Yeah,
Everyone looked in awe and beauty at the effortlessness of Mamengwa to know his purpose. But back in the days of the grandfathers, Dragonfly, he was kind of looked down on by his cousins, the butterflies, because he wasn't so good looking. He was skinny and unattractive. And Mamengwa used to tease him. He'd be like, Oboodashkwaanishiin, you're skinny and you're ugly.
Oh, not
and
even.
Your wings, they look like a horsefly's. And so, geez, little Dragonfly was getting just depressed. So he went out in the great forest and he went on a fast. He didn't have any food or water for 4 days and 4 nights. And he put out his tobacco and he lit his pipe and he prayed. And he said, Kitchi Manadu, Oboodashkwaanishiin, help me. You have made me such an ugly cousin to the butterfly. Why have you made me so skinny and so ugly? And why have you made my wings so, so bad?
Oh, jeez.
Why couldn't you have made me like the eagle, where I could soar with the wind? Even my cousins, the butterflies, they soar around so effortlessly. Oh, I forgot to say this. Back in the day, dragonflies didn't buzz around like they do today. They flew like eagles, but not very well. And so they just kind of hopped around. And he goes, Kitchi Manadu, can you explain to me why? Why did you do this? And Kitchi Manadu came down in a dream. And he said, Oboodashkwaanishiin, I have made you exactly the way you should be. And do not mistake what you have for being shortcomings, for what is your great power. You see, all along you have been trying to be a butterfly, but you are not a butterfly. And you covet the eagle's wings, but you are not an eagle. And let me tell you something. You are closer to a hummingbird than to anything else. I gave you those wings not to soar. I gave you those wings to make a song. I want you to go deep inside yourself and you find that perfect note. And when you find that perfect note, something will be awakened in you and you'll understand everything. Well, a little dragonfly woke up from his dream and he goes, a perfect note? What's he talking about? So he started to hum. He started to hum the I Dream a Genie theme song. La 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 la. And just like that, he hit it. His wings started to vibrate. They had never vibrated like that before. And what happened? He started to hover. And then pretty soon, he could zip around back and forth. It was like he had a superpower. And the Momengwa comes by and he's like, look at Dragonfly. What's going on with you? And he goes, I'll tell you what's going on with me. Whoops. And he started to just buzz around Momengwa. And so that is when he understood that his wings were meant to create a vibration that would let him fly in a brand new way. And that is the story of Oboodashkwaanishiinh. Oboodashkwaanishiinh. The dragonfly. And it's really interesting. I was looking into this. I was watching this video on bumblebees and dragonflies and beetles. They don't fly like you think.
Yeah.
Even in super fast winds, a bee flies a perfectly straight line. They can just, the wind doesn't affect it. And if you've ever been out on a boat on a lake, the dragonfly, you can be going 20 miles an hour, windy, and dragonfly will just kind of right with the boat. I don't know, it's crazy. So yeah. Moral of the story, kids. You may not know what your gifts are just yet, but go on a fast and pray to get you Manadu and something may be revealed. All right. Well, hey, I'm going to cut it off there. Thank you for watching. Miigwech kana wabieg. BOOZHOO nana BOOZHOO. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Gigawaba min, minawa, awa. Hey, sweetie, do you want to remind them about Patreon and PayPal?
Yeah, sure. Hey, everybody. If you'd like to support the show, click the link to PayPal. You can leave us a tip, or you can support us every month on Patreon. And we'll send you a gift, a little book called Like Snow on Skin, for everyone who signs up on Patreon. All right. Well, thank you so much. I will see you again. Gigawaba min, minawa. How was that?
Oh, that was just good.
Nah.
Welcome to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture too. I'm happy to be here with you today to speak Ojibwe. happy to be here today. That's all I wanted to say in Ojibwe. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.